And we have the car of the day. This is a 2012 Toyota Camry. This is the factory look for leather. That's the way the dealer makes these vehicles when they pull it out of the factory with the leather package. This is not for the match in the cloth seats, which is a single tone. This one features two tones plus the wing over there. And let's take a look at the toy. This is a beautiful vehicle, the Camry XLE. And this vehicle has factory leather, nothing wrong with it, but the age is all already on 2012. We're talking 12 years already in the road. It looks fantastic for the age, but obviously leather start to peel off. Time for a new replacement. Here at LeatherTech by EM Upholstery Technology. Guys, visit leathertech.com. Get your kits at low cost. You can install yourself or you can bring it right here to San Bernardino and we can do the installation for you. Obviously, you save money when you do it yourself. And again, leather seats age beautifully. Not like the old cloth, stinky, stain cloth seats. These cars tend to retain value. They're more attractive and they smell good. All right, guys, we're going to continue with the process and we're going to show you how it looks when we complete this car. It's not going to be much different because this car is already beautiful. We're just going to replace all by new. Like and subscribe, guys. And if you have any questions, put it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you. Visit LeatherTech by EM Upholstery Technology at leathertech.com or emupholsterytechnology.com.